We got the top 2 deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can be able to review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. To start here, we got the clearance section. Basically, this is $10 down from 18. This is 12 outlet. This is great for in the house and stuff like that. Surge protector, basically a little bit more than 50% off on that one. We got heavy duty totes, $33 down from 35. And then some more regular stuff here, but we're power tools basically. So $59.97 for the battery, and then we have this backpack vacuum from the NXT Rigid, $249. And you guys might want to double check those stickers because sometimes those are not the prices. You got a metal connector nailer here. This was $249, and then we got another nailer from the crown stapler on this one. This was from the DeWalt again. Crown for the $269 on that one. $348 for the ink saw. So they got a few of these in stock. Really, it's one of my favorite to use, especially in all types of materials. $988 for the 6 spade bit set, 2 bonus spade bits. Yes, it's getting smaller over the years, but still pretty dang good value on that one. So $19.97 for the black and gold. You got a right angle adapter for $19.97 and the countersink for $19.97, 3-piece. 2-pack of batteries for $129. Those are 4 amp hour batteries. Those are great if you want to stock up on those. Here's the black oxide. It's actually pretty decent. Not necessarily titanium, but pretty good. And this is always, you want to have something like this with your impact driver. It's a great device to have. And then you got the rapid load countersink. 3-piece from the DeWalt. Alright, moving on to some rigid. $269 for the 3-tool combo kit with the compressor. $129 for the compressor and $39.97 for the hose. And that's what the boxes look like. You got $129 for the compressor there at the bottom, and you 3-piece. $99. I actually do have one of these. It still works over the years. This thing's been amazing. It has a lot of power for its size. I really recommend it for washing your car, small projects. Alright, $299. This one's on sale, down from $329. This is actually a pretty good mower. Bare bones mower for a 20-inch mower. Yes, do not buy this one. It costs just about the same amount, and you're getting a lot less power. Not a lot of runtime, but compare the sizes on those boxes. The other one looks just like a regular mower. Brushless folding string trimmer and blower combo. This one's $249. This is actually not bad if you think about it. You're getting 2 tools down from $349. Plus you're getting a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. So that is a really good deal on that one. Same thing with this one, $239 down from $299. Got the brushless M18. You got the hammer drill and impact driver. That impact driver is a beast. It's a dang good beast there on that one. And then on this one, you got a 30-foot flooring and alignment laser, $53. And then you got a charger and lightning, $19 down from $25. Yes, there's a lot of accessories here, cell phone accessories, chargers, and all sorts of stuff. This one should be in every car if you think about it. $820 down from $10.98. Emergency hammer. You can break your window in an emergency situation or cut your safety belt. You got the magic mount, $15 down from $20. Yeah, they got all sorts of. I'm not gonna go over all of them, so we can spend all day in here. Got the 4-in-1 phone mount, $18 down from $24. All right, some more Milwaukee, $199 for the M18 fuel. Quick lock brushless string trimmer, and $329 for the 18 brushless 16-gauge straight nailer. So they got those deals right there. Just a short video for you guys this weekend. There's not a whole lot going on. We're still waiting for those deals to drop. If you guys haven't watched those leaked images of the new deals dropping on the 29th, make sure you guys check them out at our channel. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.